Landesburg. Landesburgen. Day 4 of our camper van life.
Small words for this Greek restaurant.
So many meats. Oh my god.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
What's up you guys? We are here now in Hamburg, Germany. We are back in Germany. We are in the city, so it's really hard to find a parking space. Usually we park outside the city and then we go in the city through the bike. Day 4 of our camper van rice, chicken, let's eat with rice.
Philippine feelings.
What's up you guys? Michi here is just eating lac gum sour sauce. He's eating it all the whole day, only one night. He's gonna eat this. Sour guys.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high.
Fish bacon noodles. Amazing! Bread with fish, raw fish. I don't know what's the fish. Market fish with onions. So this is the best in Hamburg. What's up you guys? It's day 5 and we are in Hamburg. Guten Morgen. I'm cooking egg. So true. Students on tour.
so high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Get on board. We're smiling on top of the world. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
How is your food, my love?
This was...
What?
I have no words for this Greek restaurant. I've never seen this in my life.
There's no eating the dessert because he's not satisfied with the Greek.
We can compare later to the Greek restaurant.